Hello, today is another day. Today is another day at work. Me and Lars, look at Lars there. So we are going to clean this carpet here. This what do they call it? Rug. So I will going to be showing you how we clean it and how we make everything to be clean. This is how it look like now. You see the way it's doing it. This is how it look like now. That's why yesterday I was talking about if you are here, you want to go to this school, how they make everything. It's like we go for 3 years because they do so many things in this cleaning business. So you can clean anything. So I can't be showing you everything, but I just let you to know how we do this carpet. So you can see that now. So we are going to use this machine. Maybe you might see how it look like. You can see that. You see that. So how it look like now. Then after we make everything, I'll be showing you how we make it. So this is the chemical here. Yeah, you can see this. We'll take this chemical, then we'll put it inside this place, inside this jug. Then we pump it. Then you see the way it do it now. You see that? Let me see that. Then after that, then we'll make another thing. Then I will take you how everything you will see how everything is going to be look like, how it does it. So just take to and wash. Make una wash, yeah. Lazag, hi.
Hi.
See the way you do it. I don't know how they call this this jug. It's like 5 liter. You put this inside. Then you spray it. You pump it. Then after that, then you soak it. Then you will use this machine to clean everything. So we do a lot of things in the business. So if you want to go to the hospital, it's 3 years to go to this hospital, so that you will not miss this what do they call it, the chemical. All the carpet have different chemicals, so they will teach you how to make the chemical and others and so many things, so that you can miss it, so that you will not go and make mistake. When you made mistake, you are your own. You will meet yourself in court. So that is it. You see that? You see the way it is. Yeah. Then after that, I'll be showing you after that, yeah. Then you go and fetch water. See this water? Then I'll put it inside this place. Here, you can see that. You'll be seeing how I put inside this water in. Put enough water to fill up with this. Yeah, that reminds me this chemical. I don't know how they call it. Maybe you might translate it. I don't know. You will see what they wrote there. It's in English. No, so you can translate it. This is the chemical you can use to clean your rug. Yeah. So I want to go and plug this machine now so that I can use it now. So you will see how I use it. So let me show you how we use this machine to clean it. See that? So I'll be showing you how I use it. So just stay tuned and watch. Stay tuned and watch how I do the magic. This camera to keep it somewhere here, so you can see. You'll be making noise, yeah? You have to be making noise. So, you on it. Yeah? Yes, so. Of diesel. Let me show you the changes. Can you see here now? And you can see the changes. Can you see that? It's quite different. You can see this. It's quite different. So after I finish everything, then I will bring you people back so that you see how everything will be after finishing everything. So that's my friend there. We are going to do everything here today. So we still spraying it with the chemical, then do this with this, then I'll bring it back after finish everything, because this machine is making noise. I can't take you people along, just wait till the end. So how I do everything. Thank you for watching, guys. So you see, and I say this machine now, it don't full for the water, and I put for this side when I take it clean this carpet. So now I go throw away the water, then I'll put another one again, then I go to do one. And this machine I go see dryer later. I go see dryer. So the time when I want to see dryer, then I will still let you know. You see, go see my guy there. So now how does one? You see the difference, man. You see the difference. You see the difference. You see. So I want to go throw away this water now. You suck the water from here, then the wasted one you go do inside here. see after I don't finish this place now, see you will see as it be now. You see am. You see as it can be. You see as it can be. You see as it can be. The different day. So that's one. Now the machine be that one, but the machine, if you not get the machine, if you see buy the chemical, you just soak am with this thing when I first show you. That this thing, then you go spray and put. After you just spray and put, if you pour water, put dry, and if you pour, because that chemical they bring all the whole dirty way in the inside. Because this machine now they wash and they dry am. So if you don't get it, if you not get this machine, if you just spray that chemical, after you don't spray am, then you go wash and pour water, then you fit dry am. So the one wey in dey inside for, but inside office wey be say you no fit remove, na only machine you fit use. So na be the thing. So see the area when I dey here today. Yeah, so I will end my video today now. Thank you for watching and share my video. Anytime you see it, just share my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video and remain blessed. Ciao everybody. Ciao.